Important order tags are an extension of the tags feature in Cetec ERP. Using important order tags, you can classify orders such as first article orders, orders containing UL-certified materials, expedited orders. Anything that would help you uniquely identify and alert properties of an order to the shop floor and across the work order fulfillment process. To enable and define important order tags, navigate to Admin. Then Config Settings. Then Config Settings. To quickly find the setting we want here, search the configuration settings using the word important. This will bring up a config setting called Important Order Tags. Inside the text box next to the Set button, type in the important order tags you will be using. Use a comma to differentiate between important order tags. Click Set. Once important order tags have been defined, you can utilize them at a line level when creating a quote, i.e. order entry. Let's create a quote to see this in action. Click Sales. Then Quotes. Then New Quote. Fill in the header info. Enter all required info in the header. Click OK. Add a quote line. Click Add. Now click the pencil to edit the quote line. Click More Options to expand your editing options. Scroll down and you'll see a Tags field. You can apply both non-important order tags and important order tags here. Above the text box, you'll see that the words you entered into the important order tags config setting are now available to apply to the quote line here. Choose from the available tags and type them here. After typing a tag's name, type a comma or hit the Tab key or the Enter key. This will register the tag and start another one. Click OK to save your changes. The important order tags you chose now show up under the quote line. These tags will now be tracked through the order fulfillment process, propagating alerts in the quote line view, production order fulfillment window view, traveler dock, license plate, and order packing slip. Note that this does not apply to regular tags. Only the important order tags are shown in these screens. Let's commit the quote to order. We'll see that if we click into Release to Warehouse in the left side menu and click on the plate link, the important order tags are showing up here on the plate. And if we go back to the order and use the left side menu to click into the work order view, we see that the tags show up on the work order screen as well. To this point, we've looked at important order tags. Cetec ERP also lets you define your own custom part level fields, for example UL, row HS, etc., which are called bonus columns. To create one, click on Admin, then Maintenance, then Bonus Columns. In this example, we'll create a part bonus column. Click Part. In the title field, type the name for your new bonus column. This is the name that will be displayed on the part screen next to your new field. Next, create a technical name for this bonus column. As a default choice, you can just type the same name that you did in the title field. If you set the technical name field to be identical to an important order tag you have defined, then anytime you add a part with that bonus attribute assigned, the important order tag will automatically attach itself to the quote to be tracked with the order. For example, let's say I finish creating this bonus column called Fragile, which matches the name of the Fragile important order tag I created, and set the bonus column to be a checkbox. We'll go over that soon. And then I go to the part record for BOM 9000. Find my Fragile bonus column and select it. And then create a new quote for that part. Because Fragile is both an important order tag and a bonus column, and because I selected that bonus column on the part record, the Fragile important order tag is now showing up under my quote line without the additional steps I'd normally need to take to edit the quote line, as shown earlier. Now let's go back to how you create the bonus column in the first place. You've entered the title and the technical name. Now you need to choose the data type for your new bonus column, i.e. text, radio button, etc. Then click Add New. Notice that Cetec has added _BC to the end of the technical name to mark it as a bonus column. You now have the option to make this bonus column searchable, which will allow it to show up as a column on reports. To do so, click the checkbox. And then click Update. Once you've selected the checkbox for your bonus column on a part record, you'll be able to see that information on the part view screen. And because you set this bonus column as searchable, that same information will show up on the part list report. Be sure to go into +/columns and make your new column visible. Now you know how to add important order tags and bonus columns in Cetec ERP, and even how to set them so that they work together.